Now we use the K518 Pro to program 2013 Hyundai Veloster's smart key. This is the original car key which has a blue shell. Now we need to program the new key to the car. Let's program new key by our K518 Pro. Select IMO and remote, choose Hyundai. The first step is to read the authorization code. This key is 46 chip. We got a red pin code 46 smart key to read this pin code via OBD connection. Turn off the ignition. Open the main driving door. In this case, opening the door is to prevent the car in inactive state. Opening main door is for car activation. Okay, reading the pin code now. Please wait patiently. Data communicating. The password is being read at this time. Pin code has been read successfully. Now let's move on to the next step. Proceed key programming. Confirm. Back to the Hyundai menu. Select by vehicle. Select general area. Select Veloster. Select 2011 to 2016. Select Smart Key. Select Program Smart Key. Press the Start button. The Start button is right here. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Press once, the ignition off. We press again to turn off the ignition. Open and close the door once. OK, after closing the door, turn on the hazard lights. Click OK. The system will enter the Smart Key programming function. Click OK. The pin code has been filled automatically. Confirm the pin code whether it's correct. Attach our key to the Start button and press it. Program success. Whether to program next key? Select Yes. Repeat the previous actions. Press the Start button with the key to be programmed. The count of programmed keys is 2. Click OK. Let's test whether the key can be used normally. Original car key, lock, unlock. New key, lock, unlock. Take the original keys out of the car. Hit the brakes. Start the engine. OK, start normal. Now we take the new keys out of the car. Put the original car keys here. Start the engine. OK, start normal. K518 Pro adding smart key for 2013 Hyundai Veloster is successfully